Hello world, so today I'm going to teach you how to make this bra, which is called the Tata bra. I hope you enjoyed it as well. So I'm going to use a 5.0mm hook, and I'm going to use a yarn of medium size number 4. Okay, so you can use any yarn for this one, just that just use any yarn for it and match it with the appropriate hook. So you make your chain, and the chain should be from one of your shoulders down to your under your bra. Okay, so under your breast, sorry. So you make a chain right vertically from your shoulders down to your breast. Okay, and if you get the length, you move on to the next stage. So what I'm going to do is I divide the chain into two, the chains that are the long chain that I have. So I made 40 chains and I'm dividing into two, which is 20. So the next, I make single crochet into the first 20 stitches that I have. Okay, so make single crochets into the first 20 stitches, and the next 20 stitches is going to be double crochets. Okay, so I'm making it. If you are new to this channel or you've not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, hype, whatever, comment below, and yeah. So I'm making my single crochets in the next 20 stitches, and the rest of the 20 stitches is going to be double crochet. Okay, so we are done with our work. Now you chain one and you turn your work like this. Then you're going to work on double crochets. So you make double crochet. So wherever you find a double crochet, make sure you make a double crochet right on top of it. And if you find a single crochet, you make single crochet on top of it. It's so simple to make it. You're just using double crochets and single crochet for this project. So wherever there's double crochets, you make your double crochets. Wherever there's single crochet, you make single crochet. And we're going to go back and forth until we get it is wide enough to cover our breasts, or it is wide enough that you can tuck in your breast. I'm just wondering why it is called the Tata bra. Well, this is just the crochet version of the Tata towel bra. Okay, it's very easy. You can make this at home in any of your favorite color. Okay, so you chain one, you turn your work, and you go again and again and again until our work piece is big enough for our breast to fit in. So guys, at the end, this is what we have. Now the next step, I'm going to make single crochets at the edges, and this single crochets is going to create that effect of fold our work piece. So you insert your yarn at the side like how I'm doing, and yeah, you pull your yarn through like this. Then at the side you make a chain of 1, okay, to fix your yarn in place. Then you make single crochet. When you make single crochet in the first stitch hole, you skip the next stitch hole, then you make single crochet into it. So let's make a single crochet here. The next one, we skip the second stitch hole. In the third, we make a single crochet. You skip the next, in the next you make a single crochet. So we are skipping 1 single crochet, 1 space, and we chain, we make a single crochet. So you skip, you make a single crochet, you skip 1, and in the next stitch hole you make single crochet, you skip 1, in the next you make single crochet. So after skipping, you see that our work has started folding. Now at the base, you realize that we have rows, so we are only going to make single crochet in each of the rows that we have. Okay, so just 1 single crochet in each row. So this is the first row. We make 1 single crochet. In the next row we make 1 single crochet. In the next row we make 1 single crochet. In the next, okay, so this one too will fold or make it round. Okay, so single crochet, next row, single crochet, next row. Okay, so you do this till you get to the end, and when you get to the side too, we're just going to repeat what we did earlier on. Right, so you see it has next you go to the next the other side, you make a single crochet, you skip the stitch hole, and you make a single crochet. You skip 1 stitch hole, and the next you make a single crochet, skip 1 stitch hole, make single crochet, skip 1 stitch hole, and the next you make single crochet. Okay, so you can see that our work has curved on all the sides. Yeah, so you see, this is it. So our breast can fit in this one without coming out. Okay, so you will finish your work by making slip stitch and cutting the excess, tying and cutting the excess, or you can just sew in the excess in your work so that your work will look very neat. Now guys, you make another piece of the same side of your work, and it's okay if both doesn't look exactly the same, because naturally your breasts are not of the same side anyway. Okay, so the next you fold the top parts like this, and you bring the left also like this. Okay, then you make single crochets. Okay, so you fold it here and you fold it here. Okay, like this. Now you're going to make single crochet at the top, joining where we have folded and the main work together, so that we will also join it with the second one. So we are going to make single crochet to join, then we make double crochets to very long to fix the other side. Okay, so first of all, you make your single crochet, you pull your yarn through, yeah, so you make single crochets, what you are doing is you are trying to join what we folded to the back to the front. Okay, so you insert your yarn, your hook through to the back like this, then you pull your yarn through. Okay, so you do that to the end. Alright, so after fixing, what you do is you are now going to make, you chain one, you turn your work, and you make double crochet in each of the stitches that we have. Each of the stitch holes that we have, we are going to make double crochet. So each of the previous single crochets that we did, in each of them you make double crochets, and you chain one, you turn your work, and you continue with your double crochets back and forth like that till it is long enough to be able to join the other piece. And the length of it will depend on the back of your shoulders. Okay, so we are going to put these two pieces, we want to join them so that these two pieces can go at your back and come out. So it depends on you or the length that you want. So you keep on making your double crochets, and always remember to chain one and you turn your work and you make your double crochets. Guys, after several rows, this is what I have, and I'm going to join this part to the other work that I have. So the other work too, you fold like how we did for the previous one, and you can make the single crochets there, or you can just directly just fix this one or join these two pieces with a single crochet or your thread and needle if you are cool with that. Okay, so make sure you are joining at the right part of your work. So it's going to go like this. Okay, so the joining will be like this. Okay, so let's join from the inside. So you pull your yarn through the double crochet, through the main work and the back panel that we have created. Guys, after fixing or joining the pieces, this is what we have. It's very simple to make. Just tuck in, put it around your neck and tuck in your breast and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this too. You are very simple and enjoy your ta-ta, ta-ta, ta-ta. I'll see you in my next video tutorial. Bye.